Wow, man, I'm gonna have to go inside there, aren't I? Right. Let's go and check this out, man. The frogs.
Turn left on Liberati.
Man, check this out. Who is that man? Well, those lights over there, look at this. Can you see it on the camera? Abandoned warehouse or factory or something like that. More graffiti there. Oh, look at that one. That is cool. Look what's happening here, man. Hello, friend. Thug life. What is this? How is that lit up like that? Cool, man. Right, let's have another little look round in here. Look at this section, just debris everywhere. Oh, that scared me, a little cat there. Didn't know what that was. Little chair there. Don't know if some people hang out here later on. But difficult to walk because there's just debris everywhere. Look at this bit, look. Whoa, man, you do not want to fall down there. There's a skeleton, look. Right, let's get out of here. Well, I came looking for dereliction and I found it. Man, it's too dark down there, I'll not be able to see anything. And I haven't got my torch with me. Oh, but hang on though, look. Here we go. Man, there's holes in the floor, man, look. Man, this is quite a big building. What does that say? Love it or hate it. Wow, look at that, man. Monster. Okay, I gotta watch where I'm walking here. Whoa, there's a lot of holes in the floor, look. Like that, boom. Right, I think I've been in that section. No, look at that, man, look. You walk and there's just a big hole in the floor. You do not want to fall down there. Look at that one. It's got one more level or what? Boom, another penis, there's always a penis. Oh, cats. Get shocked by the cats, man. Right, we've got a barricade here. I don't know if there are people living in this building or not. Oh, there's people hanging the laundry. There's people living in this building. I don't want to disturb them. Come on, let's get out of here. Right, that was the abandoned building in Eleonas. Right, let's go and explore some more.